Maybe this sounds like you. Maths lessons are getting more difficult and you're finding it harder and harder to keep up. Or maybe you understand the content in class, but then when it shows up on tests, you can't seem to apply it. Maybe you sometimes struggle with your maths homework and you're not sure where you can get help. Don't worry, I can help. My name is Anita and I'm the maths exams expert. Now, I've been a maths teacher for almost 25 years and I have taught maths in the UK, Australia, Qatar, Malaysia, and now I'm teaching here in Ireland. I have taught maths at the very highest level. I've taught at Leaving Cert, higher level, A level further maths, IB diploma higher level, and I'm also an examiner for the higher level Leaving Cert maths for the Irish state exams. I have taught countless students who have achieved top grades in their final exams, and so many of my students have gone on to be incredibly successful in the top universities in the world. So let me ask you, how would it feel to get the test scores that you know you're capable of, or to feel confident enough to put your hand up in class knowing that you've got the answer, or to do your maths homework first because it's your strongest subject? In the Maths Exams Expert membership, I will provide you with all of the tools you need to be successful in every part of your 2-year maths course. So how are my lessons different from all the other maths lessons that are available on YouTube? So many of the lessons on YouTube, now not all, but many, do have very good explanations, but they're based on a very passive way of learning that simply doesn't work for learning maths. My lessons are based on what educational researchers have shown already works in a classroom setting. So explanations that I have perfected over years of teaching, worked examples, guided practice, leading on to independent practice. In these online lessons, you will get that expert provision, but you get to go through it on a one-to-one basis and at a pace that suits you, pausing when you need to, having a go at the practice questions, and then getting online for exam question practice and for personalised feedback in the live lessons. Okay, so let's have a look at some of the features of the membership plan. You will get 24/7 access to exclusive video lessons. There will be 2 live lessons every week in which I will help you with exam technique. Now, the live lessons will focus on active practice. The feedback from my previous online students was clear. What they overwhelmingly wanted was for the time online with me to be focused on their practice with my guidance and feedback. This whole membership plan is based on the understanding that you don't need to spend this limited, precious live time listening to me explaining the concepts. I will already have done the explaining in the pre-recorded lessons, so you can learn the content from my video lessons or from your school teacher, and then you come online for live lessons and you spend this time practicing, actually doing questions with my help. It's also a time, of course, to ask questions on anything that came up in the video lessons. I use an incredible bit of software called Pear Deck, which allows me to see your writing appearing on my screen, and I can prompt you on next steps. I can pick up on misconceptions and just keep you on track. So I can see what everyone is doing, but of course you can only see what you're writing. The 2 live lessons each week will be based on the same topic, but with enough content to cover 2 lessons. So you can choose to do 1 lesson or both lessons or a mixture from week to week. I really have kept flexibility in mind when I was building this course. So also within the membership, you will get free access to Christmas and Easter revision lessons. Now, there will be non-membership students taking part in those lessons, but your seat on the course is reserved. It's included in the package. We will have end of term prep classes. So they'll happen a few weeks before the end of term, where we'll focus on getting you ready for your end of term tests. Throughout the lessons, there will be a focus on exam question practice. This is what I specialise in, and through this practice, we will make sure that when the final exam comes around, there will be no surprises. I'm also going to include a toolkit that I've been developing over the last couple of years. It's called How to Study for Success in Maths. Now, in this toolkit, I will take you step by step through what you need to do at every stage of your course, from day 1 right through to the night before your Leaving Cert exam. I will tell you exactly what you need to do in order to learn maths in a way that it will stick. Inside the membership, you will get access to a supportive community where I'll be popping on answering your questions, and students will be supporting each other, answering each other's questions and helping each other out as well. I've mentioned already that I've been doing this a long time, so I really do know what works when it comes to study skills and exam technique. So throughout the course, I will be giving you study advice and little exam hints and tips here and there just to take everything to the next level for you. So this membership provides absolutely everything you need to not only keep you on track, but to help you perform better than you have ever done before. You should see your confidence and your test scores grow through the roof. You can get full access to the Maths Exams Expert membership for only €149 per month. So that's the pre-recorded lessons and the resources, the toolkit How to Study for Success in Maths, 2 live 1-hour lessons per week, Christmas and Easter revision courses, and end of term prep lessons. Now most tutors charge €40 or more per hour, which for just 4 lessons a month works out at €160. Now I'm giving you 8 hours of live lessons a month, sometimes 9, on top of hours and hours of exclusive video content. And you won't even have to pay for expensive holiday revision courses. It is a steal at this price. So the membership is completely flexible. You can cancel and rejoin at any time. And I'm even giving you a 7-day free trial, which is enough time for you to try the pre-recorded lessons, attend 2 live lessons, and then decide whether you want to continue or not. So why don't you head over to my website, themathsexamsexpert.com, and check it out. You can find me on Instagram. You've already been on my website, and you can log in there whenever you want to get access to the course material. So if you have any questions, requests, feedback, anything at all, please just drop me a line on email or through Instagram. Have a great day.